Before Sunset AI is making waves as one of the best newly released AI software tools, and in this video I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it. By the end of this, you'll know exactly whether Before Sunset AI is right for you, and if you're thinking about trying it, there's a completely free trial linked below, so you can dive in and experience it for yourself. Let's get straight into it. First off, Before Sunset AI isn't just another tool, it's a game changer. The software has been designed to solve some of the biggest problems we face with automation and efficiency in digital marketing. What sets Before Sunset AI apart is its incredibly intuitive interface combined with deep learning capabilities, giving it a unique edge over other tools in the market. Now, one of the standout features is its ability to analyze massive amounts of data almost instantly. Unlike other software that might take forever to process information, Before Sunset AI delivers lightning-fast results. Whether you're optimizing ads, creating content, or analyzing user behavior, this AI tool can save you hours of manual work while providing accurate insights that can really move the needle in your digital marketing campaigns. But it doesn't stop there. The software integrates seamlessly with all your favorite platforms. If you're working with tools like Google Ads, Facebook, or even Shopify, Before Sunset AI can sync up effortlessly and work its magic. This level of integration means you don't have to worry about switching between platforms or losing track of key performance indicators. Next, let's talk about its automation capabilities. This software doesn't just help with data analysis, it actually automates a huge portion of the work that would traditionally take a team to execute. From generating optimized ad copy to suggesting the best performing keywords based on live data, Before Sunset AI is like having a personal assistant dedicated to scaling your marketing efforts. It's incredibly time-saving for anyone who's juggling multiple campaigns or looking to scale quickly without extra overhead. And here's a feature that I really love: Before Sunset AI's predictive analytics. It doesn't just tell you what's working now, it helps forecast what will work in the future based on current trends. This is especially useful when you're dealing with fast-moving industries, where staying ahead of the curve is crucial. You can make more informed decisions and plan ahead, instead of just reacting to what's happening. Another thing that's worth mentioning is the customization options. A lot of AI tools force you to stick with a one-size-fits-all approach. Before Sunset AI, however, allows you to customize its recommendations and outputs to fit your exact needs. You can tweak it to cater to your specific marketing goals, whether that's improving ad performance, boosting conversions, or increasing engagement across your channels. Now, I know some of you might be skeptical, especially with new software that promises big things. But here's the truth. Before Sunset AI comes with robust customer support. If you're ever stuck or need help navigating through its features, the support team is always available to assist you. That's something you don't always get with new releases, but it's something Before Sunset AI does right. Lastly, and this is huge, the software is designed to grow with you. Whether you're a small business owner or running large-scale campaigns, Before Sunset AI has the flexibility to handle different levels of complexity. Its scalability makes it perfect for anyone who's looking to grow over time without having to switch tools as their business evolves. So, there you have it. 7 crucial things you need to know about Before Sunset AI. This tool really stands out in a crowded field, offering not only speed and automation, but also customization and scalability. If you want to get your hands on it and try it for free, don't forget to check the link below. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and Before Sunset AI is one I highly recommend if you're serious about taking your marketing efforts to the next level. And just a quick heads up, if you're interested, I've also included my top recommended AI software in the description below. Go ahead, check them out and see which ones work best for you.